Mae Wesley Phillips yn ennill i fara menyn drwy ganu ymaria a clybiau prysur Benidorm. Un o uchafbwyntiau ei yrfa hyd yn hyn oedd chwarae'r trwmped fel rhan o fand Michael Jackson yn ystod ei deithio. Ond roedd eleni am fod yn flwyddyn dda i Wesley. Roedd wedi cychwyn gweithio ar rheolwr newydd sef Mike, dyn a oedd ei hun wedi cynhyrchu rhai o enwa mawrion y byd cerddoriaeth. Ond yn fwy, roedd cytundeb hysbysebu anferth fel Gwyneb a llais newydd cwmni Baccardi ar y gweill i Wesley.
Both share some of the same influences from the past. So, and what I do. Music is what I do. Is how I make a living. And I always have make a living. And just blessed and gifted. To be able to do it. And hey, we just do it, and we hope the best for it. And if that don't work, then we do another one and make that one work.
What sort of other artists have you been working with, Mike?
You're talking about it'll take all night, all day to really tell you all the artists I've worked with because I came to Benidorm with the Drifters, and I worked with the Temptations. I worked with Isaac Hayes, like you mentioned, Cameo, and Dizzy Gillespie. I think that's about my most highest achievement right there.
The beauty of being in Benidorm and working with somebody like Mike, because Mike is an artist as well as a producer. So, working with him, you can see a future where you can develop something. And like with both of us working together as artists and he's working as a producer and knowing the goal that I want to do, it's like pretty much, there's no limit. You know what I mean? There's so many options, either producing other artists, younger artists, giving them the ideas and stuff, sort of like how Barry Gordy did with Motown. There was no limit to him. He was, open for everything.
So you've been recording with Mike. What sort of stuff have you been recording? This new album you've got out?
R&B, soul, a little bit of jazz influence. Mike can tell you more about that.
It's funk, contemporary funk, with the message. The message is very clear once you hear the music.
What sort of message are you trying to put across then, Mike?
Most of it is Wesley idea as far as the message is concerned. I'm just sort of like supporting the message that he want to portray, and it's a message about life.